Citizens in Flanders in Belgium can access a wide variety of government services using their electronic identity. Digital Vlaanderen partnered with Microsoft and others within the open standards community to evaluate emerging technologies for verifiable credentials and decentralized identifiers. In addition to the technical solution, Digital Vlaanderen is actively working towards regulatory changes to empower citizens to control their identity so businesses can have a greater verifiability while protecting privacy for the citizen.
To start a business in Flanders, regulation requires citizens to deliver data and the government to verify this data, among them proof of age and minimum legal capital. Today, citizens must invest a large amount of time and requires them to share their data with many different sources. We challenged ourselves to think how we might make it easier to start a business in Flanders while ensuring privacy by design. Thanks to this innovative project, a citizen can now get proof of age from My Citizen profile and minimum legal capital from participating banks as a verifiable credential that they can control. Citizens can have their application quickly verified and get started with a new business.
Now we are convinced that such an open standards-based approach can make it greatly simpler for citizens and governmental agencies to accelerate starting new businesses. Furthermore, it has been interesting to see how citizens can present real-world facts to regulated processes, much like they are used to in interacting with everyday websites. With this new approach, citizens can easily keep track of what information is shared with whom. They can understand for what purpose and, if they choose, restrict further access. We are especially excited to see that such an easy-to-use interaction still ensures a high level of verification across regulatory agencies.
In conjunction with the work we're doing with the Government of Flanders to give every Flemish citizen control over their data, we're also very excited to be working with Microsoft to use their identity system to ensure trusted access to that data. With Solid, every citizen gets their own data store and can determine who can access that data and for what purpose. And with Microsoft and INRAP combined, it's going to be truly exciting to realize this new world of a safe and innovative and interoperable use of user-controlled data.
We want to invite other government agencies and private sector as well to help make scenarios to come to life for broader use for citizens in the region of Flanders and across Europe.